Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. Today I have brought one more important lesson for you. That is notice writing. Notice creative writing class 10th. In this lesson we will be learning about notice in detail. What is a notice writing? How to write? Why should we write notice? Everything we will be discussing in this today's session. Let us learn here. What is a notice? What is a notice? A notice is a formal means of communication. It is a formal means of communication. It is a written or printed announcement. It is a written or printed announcement. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. So when you want to inform something very important to a group of people, then definitely you have to write a notice. So why the next thing is, why is notice written? Why? The reason is it is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen. So whatever the information you want to share, very important information if you want to share, you have to write notice, and you want to share to a group of people very important information. It is written in order to inform. What inform? Inform a specific information or something that has happened or is about to happen. Now it could be an upcoming event. It could be an upcoming event, competition, lost and found notice, or just a piece of information to be delivered to the targeted audience. So here we usually write notices to cover the list of topics. Generally we write this type of topics: a competition, an excursion trip, general instruction, a lost and found notice, an inauguration to take place, an exhibition, a function, a blood donation camp, etc., etc. These are the generally we write notices on this type of topics, a list of topics. In order to write very effective and fascinating notice, we should keep some of the following or very important points while writing a notice. What are they? Let us learn here. Do not cross the word limit to avoid the penalty of marks. Number one. Okay. Number second is repetition of any information should be avoided. We should not repeat the information again and again in the notice. Number three, always enclose the notice in a rectangular box. So we have to write notice in rectangular box. So we'll be learning after some time about it. Always enclose the notice in a box. Make sure you draw the box with a pencil. So we have to draw the box a rectangular box we have to draw with a pencil. Next one, keep notice short, crisp and to the point. So we have to write very short notice, not very lengthy or not, we should not exceed the word limit also. So keep notice short, crisp and to the point. Okay, so irrelevant point we should avoid. Next one, highlight the word notice. The word notice we have to highlight, and title also. So highlight the word notice and title. It can be either bold or underlined. You can write bold letters, capital letters, or you can also underline the word notice or title. Next one, the title should be eye-catching. The title should be eye-catching. Your notice title should be eye-catching, or it should fascinate the reader to read your notice with the full attention or full interest or enthusiasm. So the title should be eye-catching. Next one, what is the next point? Your notice shall include answers to all the 5 W's. All the 5 W's. What are the all 5 W's? What, when, why, where and who. These all the questions. These all the questions. Your notice shall include answers to these WH questions. Next one, try to write notice in passive voice. So it will look very formal, or it will be very formal for us if we are using passive voice while writing notice. Next one, use only formal language. We have to use formal language only. Last one, do not use personal pronouns like I and we. Do not use personal pronouns like I and we. Now it is time to learn the format of notice. What is the format of notice? Format, what is the meaning of format? Format means way of writing anything. Okay, so format of notice. What is the format of notice? First thing is rectangular box. First thing is rectangular box. Second thing, we have to draw the rectangular box is first. Second thing, name of the organization. Name of organization which is issuing the notice. So name of organization in the middle top. Next one, the next line you have to write. We have to write word notice in capital letters. Okay, so capital letters or bold letters we have to write notice word. Third one, number 4, date of notice. Date of notice we have to write. Next line extremely left side. Okay, left side. So date of notice we have to write in expanded form without using comma. Expanded form. In expanded form we have to write date of notice without using comma. Next one, title of the notice in the middle. Next line in the middle you have to write title of the notice or heading of the notice, or you can say subject of the notice. So title of the notice or title or heading we should write also in capital letters. Next one, body of notice. In body of notice, your body of notice or content should be written in such a way that your body or the notice give the answer to these WH questions. What are the WH questions? What, who, where, when, what to do, whom to contact, etc. These all are the questions are important. Next one, number 6 is body of notice. Number 7 is signature, name and designation, the person who is writing the notice. So signature, what is the signature? That is name in running handwriting. Running handwriting we have to write the signature. Name in capital or block letters within brackets. So this is name, signature, name and designation is the last one. So here once again, first one is rectangular box, second one name of the organization, third notice, word notice in capital letter, number 4 extremely left side, next line left side we have to write date of notice. Date of notice we have to write in expanded form without using comma. Next one, fifth one, title or heading of the notice in the middle, that also should be written in the capital letters. Next one, body. In body we have to your body should, or your notice body should give the answer to these WH question: what, who, where, when, what to do, whom to contact, etc. Last one, seventh one, signature, name and designation, the person who is writing the notice. So here WH questions, what are the WH questions? What is the notice about? Okay, first one, who it is addressed to. Next one, where is the event, or where was the event? Okay, when is the event going to happen? Okay, next one, what to do. The instructions are written related to the notice, what to do. Next one, last one, whom to contact or get in touch with. So these all are the WH questions are important when you are writing a notice. Finally, we are focusing on the example of notice. Now, what is the final? Finally, we are focusing on the example of notice, how to write a notice. Before going to write notice, understanding question is important. In order to draft a proper or perfect notice, you have to understand question. So let us learn here. So what is the question? You are Rahul and Anita, head boy or head girl of Ideal Indian School, Hyderabad. Your school is going to organize an inter-school speech competition. Write a notice for your school notice board inviting names of all the interested students. So what we have to do, we have to understand question first. Understanding question is very, very important in order to draft a notice perfectly. Now here, so what is your Rahul or Anita? Now the thing is, Ideal Indian School, that is organization, name of organization. Your school is going to organize an inter-school competition. So inter-school competition, what is notice all about? It will be inter-school competition. Okay. Then what you have to write, first of all, what we have to write, draw the, one rectangular box. So my suggestion, do not draw complete box. If you draw 75% box, 75% box, or not complete box, 75% box, it will be easy for you to draft a notice, perfectly. You can estimate the space required for the notice. After writing complete notice, you can complete the rest of the box, or 75% if you draw first, it is good. After that, you can write notice, then you can complete the box. Then the second thing, what is the second thing? The word, name of organization which is issuing the notice. So what is the name of organization? Everything will be, most of the thing or important points we can get from the question. Ideal Indian School. Who is issuing the notice? Ideal Indian School. So we have to write Ideal Indian School, comma Hyderabad. So this is your, the name of organization which is issuing the notice. Next one, what is the next one? Next line, immediately in the next line, middle, center, we have to write word notice in capital letter. And you can underline also word notice. Notice, the word notice we have to write in capital letter. Number 3, next line, extremely left side, what you have to do, you have to write date in expanded form and without using comma. So here date is there, 17 March 2021. So today I am writing this notice, that's the reason I have to write today's date. Next line, what we have to write? We have to write heading, or we can say title, we can say subject of notice, we can say heading. So heading also, it should be eye-catching. It should be very fascinating to readers, so that they may, or they get interest to read your notice. So what is that one? Same thing, inter-school competition. The notice is all about inter-school competition. Inter-school speech competition. Inter-school speech competition, capital letters, if you are writing, it is very good, and underline the, title or heading or subject. Now next point, what is the next thing? Next thing is, body of notice. So body of notice, generally we start notice by using this line. By using this line? What is this sentence? This is to inform all students that. So till here it is common. What is? This is to inform all students that. Till here it is common. This is to inform all students that. So here it is all about students. So school is, organizing the, speech competition. So that is the reason it is meant for students. If we are writing notice for members of club or for, any other organization, staff or something, so you can change here staff. This is to inform all staff members. So here we are talking about school speech competition. This notice is for students. That's the reason we have to write students. This is to inform all students. So that this is to inform all students that. This is a common line we can use writing the notices in the different subject or different context also. So here this is to inform all students that our school is organizing what? Our school is organizing what? So what is all about notice? It is an inter-school speech competition. So WH questions, all WH questions should be, what I can say, the answers to all WH questions should be encapsulate in our notice. So here inter-school speech competition. What? Inter-school speech competition on 25th March 2021. When? WHEN, when? Next question, when? When it is going to happen? On 25th March 2021, Thursday at 12 p.m. So this is, we have to provide complete information in notice. Okay, we have to write complete information in notice. So when on 25th March, Thursday at 12 p.m. Where? Now the next point is where, WHERE, where. Where means in the school auditorium. In the school auditorium. So we have to write complete information. So what is that one? More than 10 schools from all over the city will participate. Now the next one, what to do? What are the instruction to be given to students in notice. Interested students may contact. So here the instruction for the notice for the students. Okay, what is the instruction for the students? Interested students may contact to whom? To whom they have to contact? The undersigned. The undersigned. Who is the undersigned? The person who is writing the notice. Who is undersigned? Okay, the undersigned. Letters by 20th March 2021. So last part of the notice is, name, signature, name and designation of the person who is writing the notice. So I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you for watching my videos. Enjoy learning.